Hello everyone, welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. Recently, I have found some very interesting video on YouTube. They use different methods to make things anti-gravity-like. This is quite amazing things. It breaks your mind. How that happens? Let's find out. In fact, this is not that mystery. In the physical world, most metals will fall down to ground. When the upper part falls down, the gravity force passes through the line and reaches the end of this point. In the wrong side, a reaction force will appear against the pull force according to Newton's third law of motion. To every action, there is always opposed and equal reaction, or the material actions of two bodies upon each other are always equal and directed to contrary paths. For example, to stop moving, on that side, space will get the force come from you and is really good. And your hand also gets the reaction force comes from space. Of course, it is not so hard since your hand is harder than his face. Back to our discussion, the reaction force will pull up the downside part. Of course, the downside will not go up since the gravity force will pull down them to ground. The downside part will give a force which will pull up the upside. If these forces are completely in balance, then they will keep it until something breaks it. Theoretically, only one point is needed, but usually it will need 2 or 3 points to keep it in balance easier. So the key point is keeping the balance, otherwise all parts will fall down. Okay, let's do it. I use some clips, which usually used to bind clothes up after washing. Add a thin rope at the end of them and pair them all. Adjust the length in equal as possible as you can. For make it easier, I make some small tools. Two for supporting the plate up and down, I made them base. 2 balls to bind the rope easier and adjustable. All of them were bind to 3mm aluminum bar, 15 cm long. Use both side adhesive tape to fix the base to a table. In my case, I use 2 hard paper lifted from my friend and adjust the rope length and find the balance point. Well done. Not so difficult. Since I use 4 fixed points, the balanced point is not one but several. They use only 2 or 3 of them once a time, so I get several poles in this configuration. The larger of the plate, the easier to fix them. Now I make it easier using specially designed clip. The rope passes through the hole in the center, so it is easy to control the precise length. Let's check if it works. Great. Just look. Finally, I cut the aluminum bar to 10 cm in order to look better. Also, I uploaded the STL file linked below. You can download it if you are interested in making your own anti-gravity plate. Hope you will get fun. And do me a favor, click the subscribe button. Also, leave your comments so we can know each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you again soon. Hope you will have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the update. TV channel is waiting for you.